Hello, hiya, it's Ken here, just unboxing the pistol that I bought from Amazon. This is a replica pistol which I'm using for photography as a photography prop. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's a fairly light box. Interesting. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Don't know what that is. I hope it hasn't broken. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay. So obviously this is not a real thing. This is very plasticky. Okay. So I suppose, put a bit of black and white on this in photography and post editing, and I suppose it looks realistic. It's very plastic, it's very light. I don't know what this is. Oh god, what is that? Yeah, okay, we know it's a fake gun, obviously. They don't need to put that tacky little X on it. What is that? Does that go on top? Oh, there it is. Okay. So now it's a... I don't know if I like that. You can just see this now. Photographer buys gun. It's fake, don't worry. This was like 10 quid on Amazon. Anyway, it looks okay. Let's see how real it is. I'll take the cap off. It does clip out. Okay, so it's a little bit more realistic. This clips out. What is in it though? Okay, it's like a cap gun. It's like the old caps that I used to have when I was a kid. Okay, well there you go. There's the unboxing of the Phantom pistol. There's nothing else in the box. So that's it. Okay. And what I might do is post a few shots of the film noir shoot, which I'll be using this as a prop gun. Okay, cool.